Y'all say some crazy stuff sometimes. But when multiple artists say the same crazy thing, Grizzly listens. I could not believe some of you trim your foil before applying it, so you don't have to trim it off the glass later? How do you know how much to take off? What if it's too much? Do you just waste all the foil you pre trimmed? Well, we're about to find out. You've heard me talk about the mullet method, where I apply less foil in the front and more on the back. So let's stick to the hair theme and call this the undercut method. Maybe I like themes. Maybe I'm jealous of the hairstyles I don't get to partake in. Maybe it's Maybelline. Yeah, you know what's up. Now that we have the name, we're just winging it on how much to take off before applying the foil. But I pictured the amount of foil I've normally shaved off this glass type for the thin pieces where it's been difficult getting a blade on without slipping off the sides. Okay, I'm pretty much sold already after just doing the first piece. The uniformity alone blew my mind. But back to the trimming of the foil, how much did I take off? I don't know. 1 millimeter? 5 centimeters? I'm terrible with the metric system because, in the words of Childish Gambino, this is America. So, let's say something wild like 1/1000th of a yard. But realistically, I think like 20%. At this point, I should warn you that some seasoned or professional artists may be scowling at me because there's hardly any foil on the sides, and some spots have none. This is one of the things I previously warned about not being traditional when it came to foiling super thin or small pieces. Let it be known, you are your own artist. Please take what I show with a grain of salt or with a pinch of excited curiosity. I personally don't believe these pieces will fall out for just not having a proper lip. There will be solder on them still, and the foil will still get hot enough for the adhesive to kick in, and the pieces shouldn't be going anywhere if the art is hung and left alone. The razor method of trimming the foil didn't feel right, so I'm glad I switched it up and used the scissors, because that did the trick. The undercut method officially has the Grizzly stamp of approval. What's up? Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to all the artists who share their methods with others online. If you found this helpful, be sure to show some love and check out those artists on IG who helped me learn something new today.